Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Priyanko, and I have embarked on this adventure of trying to review as many coffees as I can during this month. And I wanted to start off today's episode with a coffee called Sonnets. This coffee is by the Tata Group, and they've come out with a single estate origin coffee. It's a 100% Arabica coffee. I have a sample of this coffee over here, and I have brewed it in a drip coffee fashion. So I wanted to show you the beans, and I also wanted to show you what the coffee is like, and then we can probably get to the tasting, and then maybe you'll know what it looks like and what it tastes like. I'll taste and let you know what it's like. Yeah. Okay. So let's go. So as you can see, this is the ground coffee, and this is coffee is called the Red Honey. It's like I said, it's 100% Arabica coffee. It's medium roasted and ground, and the notes say it's supposed to be a fruity cup with a dominant jackfruit note, and it's supposed to have a smooth and round nuance on the finish. So let's see what it's like. Uh, this is the cup that I've brewed, and you can see that the color is a bit light, uh, which is not such a bad thing actually. But once we taste, we'll know more about it. And I also wanted to tell you a little bit about the estate because this information is actually there on the website. Um, so apparently, this is a coffee that is grown in the Gurghuli estate. Yes, it's a mixed estate with 40% area that is under Arabica and 60% area where Robusta coffee is grown. It also has pepper, which are used as like permanent or like temporary shade trees around the coffee areas, and that I think makes it pretty interesting. It was started by planters called F.G. Faster, Margaret Brooke, and others in 1940. And it's about 20 kilometers from the Manjarabad fort, which is a region near Sakleshpur, where Tipu Sultan is said to have constructed a strategic defense location. Uh, so that seems like quite a bit of history for this cup of coffee. And let's see what it tastes like. Okay, so here goes the tasting. Let's see if we get any of the flavors of fruits or any of the jackfruit that the coffee mentions we should be getting. So there is a bit of fruity note to this cup, and I'm not sure if it's exactly jackfruit that I'm tasting, but it's a nice blend with the Arabica, I think, because there is no one particular flavor which is overpowering this particular coffee, and it I I don't know if I should call it balanced, but it's definitely very easygoing on the palate. And if you know, I think this is a very good coffee if you are in the middle of the day and you just want something to drink, but you don't want that excessive caffeine hit. Then I think this is a pretty good coffee to go for, and it'll probably be even good as a cold brew because there is, like I said, there is no dominant note, and this would probably help to just give the cold brew coffee a nice mellow sort of tone on the palate. So I think the drip espresso is a good way of trying this, and I have a feeling the coffee will be good as a cold brew as well. So here's one more sip. Hmm. And I also think it grows on you, because the more you have it, the more you feel like just getting to taste this and experiencing this one sip after another. So I think that's a good sign for the coffee. Um, well done Sonnets, well done Tata Coffee, and well done Red Honey. So I think I'll give this coffee, let's say, I'll give it like a 7 on 10 maybe, because I feel the coffee may not appeal to hardcore drinkers, and especially for those who are looking for a quick espresso sort of caffeine hit. But if you're more on the mellow side of coffee, then I think this would be a really good option for you to try. So do check it out. The website is called shoptatacoffee.com, from where you can get these coffees. And there are two other coffee varieties that you can try, and maybe that will give you some sort of idea of what you want to try. And let me know in the comments if you've already tried this coffee, what you think of it, and what is your if you have any feedback, suggestion, anything that you think we should be doing more, then please let me know in the comments below. As usual, if you like this video, then please like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and enjoy a cup of coffee. Yeah, we're done. Bye.